So basically, what is EC2? What is EC2? Right? First, we'll try to understand. After that, we'll move to console and we can create the EC2 instance. How to create EC2 instance? How can we connect instance? How can we check the security groups and all? We can discuss now. Okay. Yeah. Very first thing, EC2. What is EC2? EC2 is a Amazon. What is EC2? Amazon Web Services. In Amazon Web Services, EC2 is the first service.
It's a,
Amazon
it's a server.
Cloud Computer.
Anyone having idea? Real time guys, already working people.
It's a
Anyone
server.
having, it's a server, yes. It's a virtual server. Yes. Right? Yeah. What is Amazon EC2? Right? So Amazon EC2 is a virtual server. We can say virtual server, right? See here. Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud provides on-demand computing capacity in the Amazon Web Services cloud, right? Yeah, so it is a on-demand virtual server, on-demand scalable computing capacity in the Amazon Web Services. So what is on-demand? We discussed already. What is on-demand?
Instantly we can create.
Instantly we can increase the resources, instantly we can create the resources immediately, right? Instantly. For example, I required 10 servers with required configuration, so I can create within a minute, right? Within a minute, which is nothing but on demand, right? So scalable. What is scalable? What is scalable? What is scalable?
It
Scale,
can be
right?
upgraded, downgraded as per
Yeah.
the requirement.
Scale means increase. Fine. Yeah. Scalable computing capacity in the Amazon Web Services cloud, right? So using Amazon EC2, yeah, reduces hardware cost, right? So normally in real-time projects, before cloud, before cloud, so we used to use the physical environments, physical servers, right? So by the time whenever we required any resource like server, we used to place the order with the vendor like Dell vendor, HP vendor, or IBM vendor, right? Yeah, so they take some time to deliver the servers. Yeah, they take 10 days, 15 days. After that, once we receive the server, we can move to data center server room and we can insert into racks, and we need to connect power network. After that, we can deploy operating system and applications, patches, plugins, everything. So after that, finally we used to move to production, right? So that was time taking process, right? Yeah, so we used to follow that. So currently we are using cloud data centers. We are not using our local data centers. Currently, what we are doing, so whenever we required any servers or resources, we can connect to the cloud. We can connect to the cloud vendor, and we can create the resources within a minute, right? Yeah. So here, what will happen here? Hardware costing will be reduced. So when you want to purchase any server, that would be minimum $5,000 minimum hardware, server hardware, right? So when we use cloud servers, what will happen? Costing will be reduced because so those are on-demand servers, and whenever we start server, billing will be started. Whenever we stop server, billing will be stopped, right? So it's a kind of renting, right? Yeah. And also when we use cloud servers, we don't need to buy any licensing part. We don't need to buy any licensing part. We don't need to recruit any admin to handle the servers. As a DevOps engineer, we can handle that. So because 80% of the activities will be taken care by AWS vendor only in cloud, in cloud, cloud vendor will take care of the 80% of the activities. Other 20% we have to take care, which is creating servers, yeah, configuring servers and creating storages, network. These are all the things. So only 20% we have to take care, because so everything will be available in cloud data center only, right? Physically. So they will take care. So zones, regions, and configurations, everything will be taken care by vendor only. So as a DevOps engineer, as a cloud engineer, we can connect to the cloud. We can create required resources. right? So for this, we don't require any admins, we don't require any server room, we don't require any licensing, we don't require any AC, right? Normally, if you want to configure physical server without AC, server will not run, right? Without central AC, server will not run. Fine. So we don't require any AC, we don't require any network, right? So everything will be taken care by AWS only. Yeah. So we, as a customer, as a user, what we will do, we can connect to the cloud platform and we can create the servers within a minute, right? Which is a scalable and on-demand servers. So whatever applications you want to deploy, you can deploy in the server is very faster. Application deployment also very faster, right? Yeah, right. Yeah, EC2, here we can say, yeah, Elastic Compute Cloud or Elastic Cloud Compute, both are same. Okay. Yeah. So here EC2 full form is Elastic Compute Cloud. What is Elastic, anyone? In general. In general, what is Elastic? Anyone?
Stretchable.
Stretchable, expandable, stretchable, expandable, right? Yeah, you both guys joined in the group. You both are in group, right? Fine. Yeah, Elastic is a stretchable, expandable, right? So what is compute? Anyone? Compute. For example, if you want to buy any laptop or mobile, what we will check? What we will check?
Configuration.
Configuration, right? Yeah, what is the speed, what is the RAM, what is the memory is having, what is the processing speed, what is the storage, we check all these things, right? So which is configuration. So compute is a configuration, right? So this configuration is elastic, this configuration is elastic, this configuration is available in cloud. Here we have 2 times C, that is why EC2. You understand, right? So whatever resources we are using in cloud, those are elastic. We can increase the resources, we can decrease the resources by single click, right? Yeah, this configuration is available in cloud, which is nothing but EC2, right? Now let us move back to console, AWS console. So everyone created the account, right? Anyone having any challenges to create the account? So from today onwards, you need to practice. Everyone should practice. Yeah. So daily basis, you need to practice.